In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to change your XM password. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you need to go up to xm.com. Also put a link to that down in the description below. Once from here, it should be looking something like this once you log inside of your account. Now from here, to change your password, you'll simply need to go up to the right hand corner up to your profile, and then from here, it should be looking something like this. Now from here, you'll simply need to go down to the settings section, and once from here, you'll need to go down to the security section. Once from here, you'll be able to see the account security, and the first option right here is called change profile password. Now from here, once you click on that, you'll need to write in your current profile password, and then you'll click your new password and confirm that specific password that you just created. Once from here, you'll simply need to click change password, and then from here, you'll have successfully changed your password inside of XM Trading. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!